Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Evina Yayangsyah Putri.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down.
In this video, I will explain a little about the second material, namely linear function and their application. What is a linear function? A linear function is a function that from a graph in straight line. This linear function is also the function that has upside the x power with a variable equal to 1. Linear function formula: f equal x, mx plus c, or can also be fx equal mx plus c, or it can also be y equals mx plus c. Information: m equals radial slope, c equals constant. Example: there is a linear function that is fx equals sec x plus b. Determine the form of the function if it is known that f4 equals 8. Solution: x equals 4, f4 equals 8, fx equals sec x plus b, f4 equals sec times 4 plus b equals 8, 8 equals sec times 4 plus b equals 8 minus 24, b equals minus 16. Function implementation: linear functions are widely used in various economic activities, especially to see the relationship between two types of variables, namely dependent variable and independent variables. The function consists of: number 1, request function. This demand function uses the buyer or consumer perspective. The law of demand is that in the price of a product rises, the quantity of the product demand will fall and vice versa. So the relationship between price and quantity of product demand is an inverse or inverse relationship, so that the grade or slope of the demand function b will always be negative. Number 2, offer function. The supply function is a function that shows the relationship between product price and the number of products offered. In the building function, the seller point of view is used. The supply function by product is used to analyze the possible quantities of goods to the products. According to the law of supply, if the price of a product rises, assuming all factors are held constant, then the quantity relation between the price of the product and the number of products offered. So, degree B of the supply function is always positive. Other factors that influence demand with price itself are: number 1, production costs. Product capabilities will influence the high and low product costs and selling price, thus affecting the quantity offered. Number 2, technology. The more scarce capital the technology used, the more efficient product will be, so that the quantity offered can be inserted. Number 3, expansion of factor price. If product estimate that price will rise in the factor, then current supply will be derived and goods or salvage stocks will for sale in the factor in the hope that profit will increase. In the world of mathematics, the action of this function can be interpreted as the relation between one variable s of which involves h of her. This relationship also states that each member of the domain, first member or region, has a relationship with one and only the member of the rank or second member or rank. In this function, there are several components, namely: number 1, a variable is a quantity whose value can strong in a problem. Variables can be divided into two, namely independent variables and dependent variables. Independent variables are variables that explain other variables, while the dependent variable is the variable that is explained by the independent variable. Number 2, constants, namely number or figures that form a function but are not related to a variable. Number 3, coefficients, namely numbers or numbers that help form a function and are related to a variable in the function in question. In this general form, namely y equals ax plus b, it states that y is a function of x. This means that the z of the x value will affect the z of the y value. Presentation of function with graphic. For example, there is a question in the form: have a graph of the equation y equal to x plus 10. So the application method for registering is mathematical way. For example, there is a question in the form: draw a graph of the equation y equal to x plus 10. So the application method for registering is: number 1, the intersection point with the y-axis is if x equals 0, then y equals 10. So the intersection point with the y-axis will occur at 0, 10. Number 2, the intersection point with the x-axis is if y equals 0, then 0 equals 2x plus 10, x equals min 15. So the intersection point with the y-axis will occur at min 5, 0. So if drawn into a graph, it is a follow. Okay guys, that's all my explanation of material. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.